Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a super quick review of the Anylight Work Light Rechargeable LED light. This is portable 230 degree rotating it has 5 modes with a magnetic base and hook. So it has a hook on it too. It uses a mechanic light. I bought it actually to be a mechanic light. It came from Amazon. Super fast in regards to how quick it got here. To be honest with you, I might end up buying another one of these because I really like it. One, I'm working on a project car. I have a 1988 GMC Suburban, and I wanted to have another mechanic's light to have it in there with a magnetized base, which this has. But after utilizing it and messing around with it for a little bit, I realized I wouldn't mind having one of these to throw in my camping gear just because it has all these 5 different modes as I'm clicking through them right here. It can work up to 5 hours according to the description given, and I'm guessing up to 5 hours would be if you were using, say, as a strictly the front end, which is like more like a flashlight. So I could believe that, but it takes 2 hours to actually charge it, which is not too bad, to be honest with you. It comes with a USB-C cable, as you can see in the picture. It's IP65 waterproof. And I like it. Like I said, it has the magnetized base, and it says 2 hours to fully charge it, which is believable. I plugged it in, and it was already charged some, but it actually charged up fully, and it didn't take that long actually for it to show that it was fully charged. As you can see, it's magnetized. Also, real quick, it shows when it's flashing, it means that it's still charging. Once it's solid, it means it's fully charged. Let's do a real world test. I turned off all the lights in the house, went into the garage using the flashlight mode of it. We're going to sit the camera down real quick. We're going to pop the hood on this 1988 GMC Suburban. So we're going to go ahead and flash the light on it with the garage fully dark. At dark, we're going to use the different modes to see what we can see in here. And as you see, this works really well. And I like about it is it gives a good amount of light, but it's compact, and it's also magnetized. So this Anywhere mechanic's light, I call it a mechanic's light, works really well. Plus it's rechargeable. As you can see, I can stick it on stuff and it stays as magnetized as long as it's metal. It gives me a good view of stuff, especially when combined with my other lights, and the compactness of it really works out. I'm debating on getting another one just to throw into my camping stuff to have it. Anyway, I highly recommend it. I'll leave some links for you if you're interested in it from Amazon. This is an Anywhere Work Light Rechargeable IP65 waterproof, and I want to thank everyone for watching. I hope this helps someone out there just looking for something like this. Goodbye, everyone.